Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to repost someone else's story on Instagram. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's dive in. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. When you're at Instagram, let's try to find someone else's story that we want to repost, right? Let's click on this one over here. Let's say for example we want to repost this, okay? So very simple, all we gotta do is to screenshot this particular content. Okay, you resize it, very easy. Then we save the image. Okay, now the next step simply will be to go on the top left corner, click on your story, select the picture that we just screenshotted, right? As you can see over here, it perfectly fits the actual framing. It really looks like you just share that. It doesn't look like a screenshot. Next step you want to do, of course, is you want to tag the persons, right? It's right over here. We tag the person, and to make it even more professional, I will put it over here, right? Just look at it. It looks absolutely natural and perfect. Next step, all you gotta do, you can add the music, right? If you know exactly which song the person was using, add the song, and it will look absolutely the same as the original story. You gave a credit, you have the content. The main issue with the whole, sharing stories on Instagram is Instagram did not build a feature that you can directly do it. You have to go around by using this strategy over here. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.